Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with iZotope RX detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate iZotope RX, begin by launching the software on your computer. Once the program opens, navigate to the menu bar at the top of the window. Click on iZotope RX to open the drop-down menu. Select Authorize from the available options. You will be prompted to enter your iZotope account credentials. Input your email address associated with your iZotope account. Next, enter your password carefully to ensure accuracy. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. If you have not yet created an account, you can do so by clicking on the link provided in the authentication window. Once signed in, you will see a list of licenses associated with your account. Locate the RX product you wish to activate. Click the checkbox next to the product to select it for activation. Then, press the Authorize button to begin the process. The software will attempt to communicate with the iZotope server. If successful, a confirmation message will appear notifying you of the successful authorization. In case of issues, ensure your internet connection is stable and try again. You may also need to check your email for any additional verification requests from iZotope. If using an iZotope USB iLock key, ensure it is properly inserted into your computer. Follow any additional prompts that appear if you are using the iLock method. After completing these steps, close the authorization window. Your iZotope RX should now be successfully authenticated and ready for use. Explore the tool to enhance your audio editing experience. Remember to keep your account information secured for future logins. Congratulations on completing the authentication process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.